Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you with me as always, and I hope you're all having an amazing Wednesday. It is February 4th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was an important one. At 8:15 a.m., ADP, non-farm employment change. At 9:45 a.m., S&P Global Services PMI. At 10 a.m., ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI. On the earnings front, Google was scheduled to release earnings after the bell. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the index edged higher. AMD continued to slide following earnings, and our robot entered a long position. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, the market dipped. Silver was up, while Bitcoin dropped. Apple showed strength pre-market. Our long position was closed for a small profit, and a short position was entered shortly after, which was also closed for a profit. At 8:15 a.m., ADP non-farm employment change came in at 22Ks, down from 27Ks. The market dipped again, and our robot entered another short position, which was closed for a profit. Cash session and intraday trades. At the 9:30 a.m. open, the market turned volatile, with price moving sharply in both directions. At 9:45 a.m., S&P Global Services PMI came in at 45.8, down from 46.5. At 10 a.m., ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI came in at 50.3, down from 51.7. Following the data, the market traded mixed. Our robot switched into scalping mode, executing several trades, all profitable, bringing realized profit to $238. Afternoon session and into the close. Weakness continued through the afternoon. AMD dropped below 200, while PLTR touched 135. Our robot made a few additional scalping trades, finishing the session with a net profit of $251. After the bell, Google released earnings, and price action was choppy, moving sharply up and down. Summary. Overall, it was another down day for tech stocks. Our robot performed well, closing the day with a net realized profit of $251. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this daily journey. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.